Okay, so we're trying to get this bed in the middle of our allotment to be a wildflower bed. So it's had all sorts in the past and it hasn't ever really been cultivated. So we've gone over it, and I'm now just going over it with a cultivator just to try to break it up a little bit so that it's a bit easy for the seeds. Okay, so it might seem a bit strange that I've broken it up first with the cultivator, but just to help the wildflower seeds, I'm going to compact the area now after having broken it and tried to clear some of the persistent weeds we've got in here. I'm not too bothered about too many of the weeds, to be honest, because it is meant to be a wildflower area, and most things that people call weeds are just wildflowers. Okay, so on this wildflower bit, what we're going to do is we're going to scatter seeds of a plant called yellow rattle. Yellow rattle is a parasite on grass, well, semi-parasitic, I believe. So what it will do is it, on this area, which has still got some grass in it, the yellow rattle will affect the rate of growth of the grass that is left in this patch, so that the wildflower seeds have got a far better chance of being successful. And if you do want to do wildflower seeds in grass, you must use this stuff, otherwise they will not work very well. So this is a wildflower mix that somebody gave us. I've absolutely no idea who it was, but as you can see, there's a whole load of different types of wildflower seeds in there, and I'm going to try and scatter them as pretty thinly, to be honest, because I want this pack to do the whole of this section of the bed, and there's no point using all of that pack in one go. We need to make sure that the wildflowers have got plenty of opportunity to grow